Hola, I'm Gina from Gigi Facials Makeup. I would like to show you how to make temporary tattoos at home just for fun to play with friends or with kids. This is what you are going to need: paper, scissors, scotch tape, and rubbing alcohol. You are going to use your computer to create your design. Pick the design that you like. It can either be black or color. When you're ready to print, make sure that you change the settings of your printer to t-shirt transfer. To make it easy on you, print the design in a paper. After that, put another paper on top, and that way it will be easy for you to know where you're supposed to place the tape. And that's how we're going to transfer the ink to the skin. And ready to print. Cut the design. Be careful, do not touch the ink. Clean the skin with rubbing alcohol, and this is going to remove any oils or creams that you might have in your skin, so that way the ink it will stick better to the skin. Firmly press the design into the skin and take it off, and voila, it's ready. Now you have a tattoo. Now you can impress your family and friends with your new tattoo. Gracias por verme. See you next time. Ciao.